I don't know about this. Look at this. Is Peepers. It's chicken.
Do you have those
with balloons in their butts? What kind of?
Cameron, can we take photos later? Okay.
What kind of?
I will put the dress on later then. Huh?
That's naughty.
I think it will blow up. You should take a video when we're doing that.
I think we save that for the daytime.
Yeah, then we can see it better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did we get some matches?
I don't know where matches are.
Off the back deck because there's snow. Yikes, gold. Happy New Year, little friend. Hi, Ginger. Happy New Year to Ginger. Ginger snaps. You got enough goodies in there?
She there?
Yeah.
Happy New Year, Ginger. So sweet. Where's the bag here?
I got one. I got one right now. I'm going to let it off right now. Whew. You can bring the bag out.
Yeah. Oh. Is there a light here?
Yeah, but we don't want the light on, do we?
Okay. I don't know. But, well, no.
We got what?
Enough light, I think. Coming
Okay.
from the house.
Here, hold this.
Okay.
While I light this. It's still going.
What is this thing?
It's still going.
Okay.
Matches. We got a little bit. How much?
You can't. I can't see you in this. Maybe I should switch on the light for.
Oh, we have a little bit of snow.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh.
This doesn't have sparkles. No.
Okay. Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
I'm not worried about. Ooh, listen to all the.
I'm not scared lighting fireworks. I have been doing it for like years.
Oh, yeah.
Huh? You should go away. You don't know how much it will. Yes, my ears. The neighbors will be like, "What the heck is going on there?"
They're crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you want me? Okay, here's
Should
another.
I do one?
Yeah, have at
I'll
it.
choose one. What is this?
Whoa, my ear.
I want to do what is this?
Yeah, I'll do one of those. Okay,
Oh, where's the?
right there. Here's
Where
the.
should I light it?
Here, Larry, you want to help light it?
Oh, Larry's here?
Yeah.
I didn't even see him.
You must be the right one. That is nice.
What happened to
Ooh.
light it?
I have lighter than that.
No, there's a. Here, put it over here. Right there. Knock that out. Just toss it out.
You shouldn't make too much.
Nah, it won't.
Oh my god! Cameron, you don't know how loud that is, so.
Happy New Year!
Oh.
Woo! Woo-hoo! Come on, Cameron. Come on, Cameron. Woo! Happy New Year in Boring. Oh, 200 feet over the edge of Boring. Hey, that's a pretty nice one, huh?
Do you have a candle? Because you can also use a candle
No.
to keep it light.
Oh, yeah, I have a candle, but hold on.
Maybe later when we are doing